and my niggas, yeah, we on. We on. Me and my niggas, yeah, we on. Two shots to the head. We on. 2 shots to the head. We on. 2 shots to the head. We on. Smoking switches till I'm gone.
I'll show you what I did so far. Now all I gotta do is pull this back, tighten it up, latch it into there, and then set this up a little higher, just a little bit. And then get them in there, bolt these in to the side. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they go into there. And then clean it up, wipe the top off, and tighten all of this. It'll be tightened once I bolt it into the back and pull all of this. It's gonna tighten everything up there. Other than that, that's all she worked for today. We'll be back at it tomorrow. See y'all then, man. All right, y'all. We almost done. Only thing I do left is tighten this part here. That's about it. I mean, it came out okay. Not the best for it. I mean, it looked pretty good for my first try. 6 hours.